Good evening everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are discuss about important question related to SBI junior clerk. So let's start the session. Question number 1. Government shareholding in public sector banks cannot below 51%, 74%, 33%, 76%, and the correct option is option A, 51%. So government shareholding in public sector banks cannot be below 51%. Next, question number 2. Which of the following schemes has been launched for the school-going children? So these are the options, and the correct option is option D, midday meal. Midday meal scheme is launched for the school-going children. Next, question number 3. Sugam is a scheme launched for. Sugam scheme is launched for. These are the options, and the correct option is option A, small taxpayer. Sugam is a scheme launched for small taxpayers. Next, question number 4. What is the full form of ULIP, the term which was in the news recently? So the full form of ULIP, the correct option is option B, Unit Linked Insurance Plan. The full form of ULIP. Next, KYC means know your creditor, know your credit, know your currency, know your customer. So these are the options, and the correct option is option D is the correct answer, know your customer. So KYC means know your customer. Next, question number 6. Which of the following is not a banking related term? So these are the options, and the correct option is option D, radiation. A, B, C, these terms are related to banking, but the radiation term is not related to banking. This is a other term. Next, question number 7. Insurance service provided by various banks is commonly known as. These are the options, and the correct option is option B, bancassurance is the correct answer. Next, question number 8. Rate of interest is determined by. Rate of interest is determined by. The correct option is option C, commercial banks. Rate of interest is determined by commercial banks. Next, question number 9. NEFT stands for. These are the options, and the correct option is NEFT stands for option A, National Electronic Fund Transfer System. Option A is correct. Next, which bank was earlier called the Imperial Bank of India? RBI, SBI, UBI, PNB. So the correct option is option B, SBI. So SBI was earlier known as Imperial Bank of India. Next, question number 11. RBI was nationalized in the year. These are the years, and the correct option is option C, 1949. In 1949, RBI was nationalized. Next, question number 12. The bank rate is the rate of interest at which the RBI provides loans to the. These are the options, and the correct option is option B, scheduled commercial banks. So RBI provides loans to the scheduled commercial banks. The bank rate. FDI stands for foreign direct investment, foreign diverse investment, fixed deposit investment, floating deposit investment. The correct option is option A, foreign direct investment. FDI stands for option A, foreign direct investment. This is the correct answer. Next, the monetary policy of India is announced by Union Finance Minister, Union Commerce Minister, Prime Minister of India, Governor of RBI. The correct option is option D, Governor of the RBI. Next, which one of the following rates is not decided by the RBI? Option A, repo rate, option B, reverse repo rate, option C, bank rate, option D, income tax rates. And the correct option is option D, income tax rates. Next, question number 16. ₹10 note contain the signature of option A, chairman of SBI, option B, governor of SBI, option C, finance minister, option D, none of the above. And the correct option is option B, governor of RBI. Next, question number 17. Invisible export means export of option A, services, option B, prohibited goods, option C, unrecorded goods, option D, all of the above. And the correct option is option A, services. Invisible export means export of services. Next, question number 18. Which of the following schemes is related exclusively to financial inclusion in India? Option A, Ajivika, option B, Swabhiman, option C, Swavalambam, option D, Aadhaar. The correct option is B, Swabhiman. Swabhiman scheme is the related exclusively to financial inclusion in India. So next, commercial papers are issued by option A, company to the bank, option B, bank to banks, option C, bank to companies, option D, bank to suppliers. And the correct option is option B, bank to banks. Commercial papers are issued by bank to banks. This is the correct answer. Next, question number 20. How many regional rural banks are in India? So these are the options. And the correct option is option C, 29.
So in our country there are 29 regional rural banks. Exchange rate management is option A promotional, option B elective, option C traditional, option D non-traditional. The correct option is option C traditional. Exchange rate management is traditional. Next, question number 22. Nominees' age in the saving account is. These are the options and the correct option is option D, any age. Next, question number 23. Avoid is the credit counseling of A. HDFC, B. ICICI, C. Bank of India, D. Indian Bank. And the correct option is option C, Bank of India. Avoid is the credit counseling of Bank of India. Next, question number 24. When a bank returns a check, option A, these are the options and the correct option is option C, dishonor of the. Next question
25. Interest payable on saving bank. So these are the options and the correct option is answer C, regulated by Reserve Bank of India. So this is the correct answer. Reverse repo is a tool used by RBI to. So these are the options. Absorb liquidity to give interest, inject in liquidity, increase the interest. The correct option is A, absorb liquidity. Next, question number 27. Normally, banks accept fixed deposit of maximum period. So 15 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years, and the correct option is option D, 10 years. For 10 years is the maximum period for fixed deposit. Next, bancassurance is a insurance, a composite, and insurance, none of the above. So the correct option is none of the above. So bancassurance is a relationship between bank and insurance company aimed to offering insurance benefits. So next, in context of business and banking, what is CRAR? So these are the options and the correct option is option A, ratio of bank's capital to its risk. This is the correct option. So last question number 30 is government shareholding in public sector banks. Option A, more than 50%, option B 74%, option C 33%, option D 76%, and the correct option is option A, more than 50%. So government shareholding in public sector banks is more than 50%. So this is the correct option. So thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment down. Thank you.